Hello everyone.
Happy January 19th. Today we celebrate popcorn, tin cans, and the joy of simple pleasures. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Popcorn Day. A crunchy snack for movies and fun. A great gift could be a popcorn maker, a gourmet popcorn tin, or a seasoning set. What's your favorite flavor? Let's pop the comments. It's National Tin Can Day. A quirky salute to everyday utility. A thoughtful gift could be a tin can craft kit, a vintage tin set, or a storage solution. How do you reuse tins? Let's share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Good Memory Day. A celebration of nostalgia and reflection. A sweet gift could be a memory scrapbook, a photo album, or a keepsake box. What's your favorite memory? Let's relive it in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 16th to 20th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.